Welcome back to 0 to 60. Now, have you ever noticed that even after you've washed your car, if your exhausts are dirty or looking rough, that it just makes the whole appearance of the car look awful? Because of the driving that we do in the UK, exhaust tips and exhausts can look unsightly very quickly, especially in these winter months. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get them to a brand new shine with some very special products, including ones that aren't going to cost you a penny. Let's get straight on it. Today we're going to be doing this exhaust cleanup on my new to me 911 Carrera S, and the reason I'm choosing this car because I don't think that anybody's done any kind of cleaning on this exhaust for, let's just say, quite some time. And by that I mean they're minging. To be honest, it looks better on the video than it does in real life because they are disgustingly dirty. Now I'm going to show you how to clean your exhaust, and if you're on a budget, it's probably not going to cost you a penny, because the thing that I'm going to show you first is probably under your kitchen sink, and if it's not, go and check under your mum's because it's probably under there. The other product I'm going to show you is something that I've been using for years, and I think is one of the best products out there to be able to polish any exhaust. So yeah, it's something that I've used for years. It's something that my dad told me about when I was a kid, and it's very cheap as well. So let's get straight onto it and show you exactly what to use. Now, while you're under the sink having a look around and a rummage for this, oh yes, the good old sieve. While you're under there having a look for that, go and nick some cloths that are under there as well, because you're going to need at least 2 of these to do the job properly. The simplicity of this is you don't have to do any pre-cleaning, you don't have to wipe it with anything. All you need to do is get your cloth, get your sieve or supermarket equivalent, whatever that may be. Don't be shy, you know, get a reasonable amount on the cloth and just spread it over your exhaust. Now you're going to start seeing immediately what this is going to do, and it's going to bring back all them memories of your mum's clean house while you're doing it, because that's exactly what it's doing for me. And do you know what, it does a good job of this. You know, when you think this is a product that's probably under your sink, it's going to bring up that exhaust a beaut. Now don't be shy with it, put plenty on and give it a good hard scrub with this stuff. It's going to be a bit harder than the other stuff that I'm going to show you, and it's not going to do it quite as well, but you know what, for nothing, I think that's coming up good already. Look at that. Now it might not get the absolute dirtiest, grimiest, hardest bits off, but you know what, it's doing a bloody good job. Now that's taken me all of what, 30 seconds or so to do that, and now I'm going to just buff it up to give it a bit of a shine with a clean microfiber cloth. Now I'm going to show you this close up to show you how that's done. So look, I mean, you can quite clearly see there, as quick as that, that the sieve has done a really good job on that. And because these are they're not actually shiny exhausts, they're not polished exhausts, they're actually brushed, which is where a brush goes over it. The very tip you can see here is polished, hopefully you can see that, but the actual exhaust there is at like a brushed, like we call it brushed aluminium or brushed stainless steel in this case. So sieve actually is a really good cleaner for that, because it's not actually polishing it and it'll keep that brush look. But yeah, all in all, for something that's under your sink, I think that's come up lovely. Next up, we're going to be using the old favourite that's been passed down to me from my dad many years ago. So it's Auto Sol, and as you can see, this is a very well used tube. And you know what? I don't know what it costs these days, 8 quid, 10 quid, something like that, but it will last you a long time, as you can see from this one. And you literally do exactly what we've just done with the sieve. There's no need to prep anything or clean anything. You simply get a bit of this. You don't need a lot. Look at that, pea-sized amount. Now this is the dirtier of the two by quite a considerable amount. And all you need to do is gently just spread this polish all over and work it into the metal. Now it's exactly the same process as what we just did, but immediately you can see that this stuff is absolutely wicked. And do you know what, it smells good too. Now some people might not think that, but I love the smell of it, absolutely love it. And just spread it all round, keep rubbing, keep moving. The harder you push and press, the better it will come out. So, you know, don't be shy, give it a good rub, like a genie in a bottle, eh? If you're getting your 3 wishes out of it. And I'm going to show you a little way to buff it up at the end that makes it super easy as well. Get right in there. Now, the other thing with this is, on my BMW that I've recently parted with, I know, sad days, but hey, onwards and upwards as they say. That had a back box on it, a M Performance system that most of you probably already know, and this was so good for that because it brought it up like brand new with one little polish up, and oh, I was over the moon. And it doesn't take long, and this is what I mean, you can get really good results with some of these metal polishes on your exhausts, and doesn't take too much time at all. So yeah, as you can see, all the way around, tip inside, because I want it to look good. I'm hoping you're catching on the video exactly what I'm doing. It's not that difficult, to be honest. Right in there, so over the whole tip. There you go, I think that's about good enough. So you can see actually on the cloth that the sieve done a pretty good job of getting off the dirt, and so has the Auto Sol. In my opinion, the Auto Sol's got quite a bit more off. So once you've done that, you want to get some of your missus or mum's clean cloths. If you haven't got any and you've nicked them from under the sink, and then simply slide it over like that and do this to get the polish off of the exhaust. And that is looking mint, man. And looking at before and after, what a difference it makes to the aesthetics of the car. So I'd love to hear back from you guys when you've had a go at this, to see how your exhausts come up. Let me know in the comments and share your experiences. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a like and share, because it really helps the channel. I'll see you soon.